Hey everyone, welcome to our video on what is the deep learning. You might have heard this term thrown around when people talks about cool tech stuff like self-driving car or smart assistants. Let's dive into what it really means in a super easy way. Okay, to start, think about how we learn things. We see examples, practices, and also get better over time, right? Deep learning is a computer doing something similar, but it uses a tons of data and also some really smart algorithms to learn. In traditional computer programs, people have to tell the computer exactly what to do. But with deep learning, the computer figure out how to do things on its own by recognizing patterns in data. It's like teaching a computer to think and also learn from experience. Deep learning uses something called neural network, which are inspired by our brain. Imagine a huge network of tiny connections all working together to solve problems or recognize things like pictures and also the voices or even patterns in data. This awesome tech is behind a lot of things you are every day. Ever used a photo app that recognizes faces or talk to a voice assistant? That's deep learning in actions, making sense of information and also helping out. So deep learning is a powerful way for computers to learn from data, making them smarter and our lives easier. What do you think is the coolest use of deep learning? Let us know in the comment below. If you enjoying these explanations, give us a thumbs and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more technical insights. Catch you in the next video. So thank you for watching.